Hi guys, so I'm just editing the video and I've realised I've completely messed up the audio, so it is out of sync with my mouth. But if this annoys you too much, you can skip ahead to around 1 minute 40 and it's going to bring you straight to the tutorial on how to get Modern Warfare 3 for free. So yeah, enjoy the video guys, and once again apologies for the audio.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, this video is going to be showing you how to get Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 for free, and this is for Xbox, PlayStation or PC. Now obviously the game has not been released yet, but this will get you a digital game code which not only is going to give you free early access, but it's also going to basically upgrade to the full game when it is released. So this is basically a full early release version of the game, the same as if you pre-ordered it and got the beta access and early access. So there's nothing to do after you get your code. You simply get your code, redeem it on the platform of your choice, and you're going to get early access, and then when the full game is released, you can re-download it and get the full game. So this method of getting Modern Warfare 3 for free is super easy. It takes around 5 minutes and it's well worth it. So I'm going to be running through these steps on my mobile phone today, and follow along guys so you can get Modern Warfare 3 for free. Let me record my screen and we can get into the tutorial. Okay, so you can see I've got my mobile phone, so use your mobile for this and open up a internet browser. Doesn't matter if you use Google, Firefox, Chrome, whatever. So go to Google, it's here, and in Google go to speedycoupons.com. Now you can go to Google and type speedy coupons, or you can just type www straight into your browser. And you're looking for speedycoupons.com. You have to make sure you go directly to this website, or make sure you go to the correct website, because some people try and spoof this website. But yeah, so basically guys, when you reach this page, there is a search bar at the top. It will take too long to manually search for it because there's tons of different pages. So go to the search bar and just type in here modern, and it should just pop up. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 free digital game code. Open that page up. My internet's a bit slow today. And here we go. So you can see this is what we're looking for. PlayStation game, Xbox game, PC game. So basically there is a free digital copy of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 pretty much for every console or platform. You can see it's been rated 5 stars by tons of people. This went viral on TikTok the other day, so people have been getting this game for free, and you can see there are a limited number of codes left, but yeah, they replenish these codes all the time, so there shouldn't be any issue. So tap on the platform. You can see I play on Xbox myself, so I want an Xbox version of the game. So I'm going to tap show code on the Xbox One, and you can see this just verifies my choice. This is a free digital copy of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 for Xbox consoles. And you can see it says MW3 with a bunch of stars. Basically those stars are the remaining digits of the code. We need to unlock the full code. The reason we need to do this is the codes are protected because people create bots to take all of the codes. I'm sure you're aware of what bots are. So tap on unlock code. Now this next step only takes a few minutes, but it's crucial you pay attention because this will unlock your code. So you're going to come across this screen, Modern Warfare 3 code unlocker, and essentially guys, just follow the instructions here, but we need to complete 2 tasks on this page to unlock my code. So you can see I've got a few tasks here, and I just need to choose 2 and fully finish them. So you can see this top one, have a chance to win an Argos gift card. Now Argos is a UK shop, but basically you're going to get different tasks if you're in the US, for example. So I'm going to click on that one. It said I need to fill in personal valid details, so I'm going to just answer some questions, and then I need to input my email address into here. So let me go back and choose another one. I'm just trying to speed up the video here. So I'm going to do this one here, which is another sort of answer questions one. Get rid of cookies, proceed, next step. So I just need to basically enter in some information on this page. It's going to create a free account on this website. Like I said, guys, they're all completely free, these tasks. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish both of those, and I'll come back just so the video is not too long. Okay guys, so I am back. That took me just a few minutes. I basically went ahead and finished fully both of those tasks you saw there. Basically, guys, you just have to choose any two and follow the instructions. There is a description below each one to how to complete it. There is also a support chat down here, so for whatever reason, if you get stuck, you can ask the support, but you just need to complete two, and they're all completely free, pretty easy. So now I'm going to press my tabs button, and you can see I've got this tab opened up down here. So if you've done everything correctly up to this point, you're going to see this Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 tab. Open it up, and it has now given me my digital game code for a free full copy of Modern Warfare 3. And that is it. I then have to just copy this code. I can copy it and enter it into the Xbox store online, or I can just write it down and enter it into the Xbox itself, and it's going to start downloading Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. These codes are unique and exclusive, so you need to go and get your personal code from speedycoupons.com. Follow the instructions you've seen in this video, and hopefully you will not have any issues. Just follow all of the instructions carefully, guys. Don't try and skip any steps, because that's usually when it doesn't work. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you got your free copy of the game. It's super fun. I've been playing it for the past 2 days straight, and I highly recommend you all go ahead and do this yourselves. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Leave a comment below if you need any help, and I'll try and help you out. I'll see you in the next one.